Hello, this is Emma of EmmaLiveYoga and welcome to day 22 of our 30-day Ashtanga Yoga Challenge for beginners. So today we're going to get acquainted with the Janu Sirsana family, which involves 3 different variations. So let's get started. So coming to comfortable seated or standing, choose the base of choice. Take a few moments to feel grounded as you connect with the breath. Remembering the fundamentals of Ashtanga, Bandha, breath. I'll begin with the opening chant. Take a breath in. Om. Bande Gurunam Charna Ravinde Samdashti Satsva Sabara Bodhe Nishte Se Jankai Kaimani Samsala Hala Moha Shantie Abahu Purushikaram Shankachakrasi Tarinam Sahasrashvarasam Shvetam Pranamani Patanjalim Om. Coming to Samasthiti, making ready. Begin with Surya Namaskar A. Ekam, inhale, lift up. Dve, exhale, fold. Remember your options. Trini, inhale, lift the heart space, hands stay down. Chaturanga, exhale, Chaturanga, lower. Pancha, inhale, back bend of choice. Sha, exhale, downward dog. 1, connect with breath. 2, if you feel you need to ease out, feel free to lift and lower the heels. 3, relax the neck and shoulders. 4, establish your drishti. And 5, look forward. Inhale, come through, step, jog or jump. Exhale to fold, Ashtanga. Nava, inhale, rise up. And exhale, Samasthiti, Surya Namaskar B. Ekam, inhale, sit back. Dve, exhale, fold. Trini, inhale, lift the heart space. Chaturanga, exhale and lower. Pancha, inhale, back bend of choice. Sha, exhale, downward dog. Right leg. Supta, inhale, lift up. Ashtanga, exhale, fold down. Nava, inhale, lift, drop the shoulders. Desha, exhale, downward dog. Left leg. Ekadisha, inhale, keep the hips level. Dvidisha, exhale and lower, elbows in. Trayodisha, inhale, lift, back bend. Chatvadisha, exhale, downward dog or child. 1, even out the breath. 2, see where you can relax. 3, remember you can come down to the previous options. 4, strong breathing. 5, look forwards, up onto the toes. Pancha, Disha, come through. So, Disha, fold. Supta, Disha, sit back. And exhale, Samasthiti. Vinyasa to Janu Sirsana A. Inhale to lift. Exhale to fold. Inhale to lengthen. Exhale, legs back and lowering. Inhale to lift. Exhale to dog. Inhale, step, jog or jump through to seated. Back into seated sequence. So Janu Sirsana A. Stretch the left leg out. Bend the right heel in, bring it into the groin. If that's problematic, I want you to stretch the right leg out of the equation. Know that your heel can be anywhere in this trajectory. So just choose what's best, then rotate round to that left leg. Inhale, lift the chest. Exhale, entering. 1. So try to keep the back long. That's it. 2. Remember your bandhas. 3. So your dristi is your left big toe. You can take hold of the leg, but make sure the hands are equally placed. 4. This is easy for you. You can continue to fold down, bring the forehead to the shin, belly to 5. But this is a beginner's class, so do what you need to do. And 5. Inhale, look up. Exhale, release. We take a vinyasa. So you can use the momentum of that first heel to take the legs back, kind of like the Utkriti lift, a little smidgen of that. Exhale to lower. Inhale to lift. You can do all of this from seated, remember. Exhale to dog. Inhale, come through. Janu Sirsana A to the opposite side. Bring the left heel in. Remember your options. Sit tall out of the sitting bones. Inhale, lift. Exhale, entering. 1. So try and lift the sternum on the inhale towards the big toe. Good. 2. And exhale, try and relax the shoulders. Don't over grip the kneecap. 3. Cultivate patience, steadiness of breath. Good. Gaze gently towards the big toe. 4. Active toes on that right foot. Good. Draw the shoulders down. 5. Inhale, look up. Exhale, release. Take your vinyasa or seated vinyasa. Stepping or jumping back. Lower the body. Exhale. Inhale to lift. Back bend a choice. Exhale to dog. I'm coming through to Janu Sirsana B. Inhale, come through. So Janu Sirsana B, sitting on the right heel. The heel goes between the anus and the genitals. As you do, it's a little bit uncomfortable, so if it doesn't feel right, you just roll it back down to A. If you can live with this, then bring the knee in so it's 85 degrees rather than 90-degree angle. Good, and then it's the same again. Inhale, exhale, entering. 1. So what the heel does, 2, kind of gives you a turbo boost impression of what Mula Bandha is. 3, it stimulates that whole area. 4, so remember you can bend forward to your own measure. Don't force anything. The hamstring is a little bit exposed with the sitting on the heel. 5, inhale, lift up. Exhale, release. Take your vinyasa or breathe through. I'll do breathe through to remind you. Inhale to lift. Exhale to dog. Inhale, come through. Janu Sirsana B to the left side. Sitting on the left heel, 85 degrees. Roll it down to A. Take the leg out as you need to. Inhaling. Exhale. Entering. 1. So fine to keep it up here. Good. 2. Steady the breath. 3. See where you can soften. 4. 5. Inhale, look up. Exhale, release. Take your vinyasa. Legs back. Lowering. Inhale to lift. Exhale to dog. Inhale, come through. So Janu Sirsana C to the right side. Stretch the left leg out. So some options here. You can lift up. Take the right arm underneath. So on the inside of that leg, cup the heel with the left hand, and then take hold of the foot, sit tall, entering. 1. So Janu Sirsana C is also known as toe crush asana. So I'm going to show you that option. 2, 9 times out of 10, I do this option. This is a really nice option. You're taking toe crush. 3, you bring the heel right into that inner thigh, press it in firmly, and then you sit back on your own toes, hence toe crush. It can feel uncomfortable. 4, you then fold forward from there. Press the heel into the inner thigh, which really helps take the pressure out of the toes. And we'll call that 5. Inhale, look up. Exhale, release. Take your vinyasa. Inhale to lift. Feel free to do the full vinyasa. Exhale to dog. Inhale, come through, stretch out the legs. Janu Sirsasana, seat to the left side. Same again, sit tall, left arm goes under then over. Cup the left heel. This is a hip prep. And then peel the foot back with the left hand. 1, entering. Show you a slightly different angle. 2, so you've got the cupped heel, just sits in the hand. You've got the hand peeling the toes back, then lift, lift, lift. 3, taking the toe crush, goes down the inside of the thigh. You can see the toes kind of fold over on each other, and then you take it from there. 4, and you fold forwards to your own measure. Good. 5, inhale, look up. Exhale, release. Take your vinyasa. Ready? And lower the body. Inhale to lift. Exhale to dog. Inhale, come through. And we're ready for the final 3. Baddha Padmasana, cross the arms behind the back. Inhale, lift. Exhale, entering. 1. Remember your options here. 2. Regulate the breath. 3. Nasagrai Dristi. 4. And draw the lower abdominals in. 5. Keep a squeeze of the bandhas. 6. Relax the head. 7. 8. 9. 10. Inhale, lift up, squeeze, Mula Bandha. Exhale, Padmasana. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, chin to chest. 1. Remember, straight back. Good. 2. Just the chin releases. 3. Same dristi. 4. Remember your straight lines of energy. Good. Draw the shoulders down. 5. Allow the chest to pop up. Inflate with the breath. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. Inhale, look up. Exhale, release. Utplutihi, hands by the hips. Remember your options. Inhale, exhale, lifting. 1. This is an engaging option. Squeeze the pelvic floor. 2. Look straight ahead. 3. Draw the lower abdominals in. 4. You might be able to draw them in enough to lift. 5. Steady the breath. Look forward, don't look down. 6. Strong shoulders. Draw the abdominals in. 7. See if you can lift the feet. See if that's possible. 8. 9. Keep your dristi. Nearly there. 10. Exhale, release. Well done. Circle out the wrists. We've got a final vinyasa to freedom. Hide the feet. Stepping or jumping back. Exhale. Chaturanga. Inhale to lift. Exhale to dog. Inhale, come through. And make your way down to full Shavasana or rest position of choice. Open the palms, floppy ankles. Big inhale. Exhale. Big inhale. Exhale. Last one. Big inhale. Exhale. Letting go. Surrendering. Absorbing the prana for a short time. If you wish to stay longer, feel free. Otherwise, begin to deepen the breath. Begin to move fingers and toes as you move the head from side to side. And take a long inhale, full body stretch. Exhale to release. Bending at the elbows, bending at the knees. Have a squeeze in. Have a little rock. Big thank you to the body. Be grateful for the body. And then roll over to one side. Pause for a moment. Drop the bones heavy. Think of one thing you're grateful for in this moment. Plant that seed of light in your heart. And then gently press yourself up to comfortable seated. Sitting tall, lifting the heart space, lengthening the spine. Bring the hands to Anjali Mudra. Gently bow the head as we give thanks for our health and our practice. Inhale, lift the prayer hands up. Exhale to center. Namaste. So thank you for practicing with me. We're nearly at the halfway point with the primary series. So next time we'll be looking at the Marichasana family. I hope you can join me. Hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you later.